Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are happy and healthy. So, my dear students, today we will do the reading of a new story, that is I Want. Okay, so you have to listen carefully and repeat after me. I want to be big, says little monkey. I want to be strong. A wise woman hears him take his magic wand. She says, and all your wishes can come true. A giraffe comes by. He stretches his long neck. He eats the sweet leaves at the top of the trees. I want a long neck, says little monkey Pop. This neck grows long, just like the giraffe's. Little monkey is happy. An elephant comes down to the river. He fills his trunk with water. He blows it all over himself. I want to do that too, says little monkey. Bang! Just like that, he grows a trunk. He is very happy. This is fun, he says. Next, little monkey sees a zebra. I want strips like those, he says. Whiz! Little monkey has strips all over his body, just like the zebra. He is very happy. He goes to the river to try out his new trunk. He looks down. He sees himself in the water. Mother, he cries. Help, a monster. That's not a monster, says his mother. That's you. You want a giraffe's neck, an elephant's trunk, and strips like a zebra. Don't you remember? Like monkey cries and cries. I look awful. He says, I want to be myself again. There is a pop, a bang, and a whiz. Little monkey is himself again. He jumps for joy. He throws the magic wand into the river. He never wants to be anyone else again. Okay, so my dear students, in this story, this name of this story is I Want. And this story is about a little monkey. That little monkey wants to be strong and little monkey wants to be big. Okay, so there is a monkey who wants to become strong. So one wise woman come to know about this, and she gave one magic wand. See this. This is a magic wand. That's a magic stick. Okay, so one wise woman comes to know, and she gave one magic stick to the monkey to fulfill all his wishes. So first of all, he wants to become a giraffe, and monkey wants neck like giraffe, long neck like giraffes. So little monkey Pop, and his neck grows long like a giraffe. And now the little monkey got his long neck, so little monkey was happy. Now again he wants to become an elephant. So he banged his magic wand, and again he got trunk like elephant. Now you can see in this picture Little monkey got trunk like an elephant. Then again he was very happy. Now little monkey sees a zebra and he wants strips like zebra. He says whiz, and little monkey got strips like zebra, as you can see in this picture. So, and at the last he become a zebra. So all his wishes are granted. At the last, when he comes along the river, he finds himself looking so scary, or we can say so just like a monster. And he felt so bad after that, watching his face into the river. He told his mother that he was happy being himself. So then he wishes to become monkey again. So his wish was granted, and he became monkey again. And he threw his magic wand into the river, and he wishes he never wants to be anyone else. So my dear students, the moral of this story is we never disappoint with our features. If Allah made us, so that is best for us. Okay, now students, mark some hard words for dictation. See, little monkey, strong, hairs, wand, magic. Giraffe, stretches, sweet leaves. Grows, elephant, trunk, blows. Strips, monster, zebra, cries, awful, bang, whiz, pop. Throws, else, again. So my dear students, these are the hard words that you have to prepare for your dictation. Okay? Okay, so keep practicing, keep learning. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.